travel in Goa. In this curated guide to monsoon travel in Goa, let me introduce you to hidden stays, conscious experiences and a slice of the Susegada local life that is such a hallmark of rainy days in this stew. Why visit Goa during the monsoon? Less crowded than the winter, even though monsoon is no longer off-season in Goa, it still draws fewer crowds than, say, the winter months from October to February. That means relatively less movement. When is monsoon in Goa anyway? The weather patterns are all haywire now, but typically the pre-monsoon rains arrive in Goa by early mid-June. Waterfall hiking. There's no better way to go beyond the beaten path in Goa during monsoon season and experience its wild outdoors than with Beetroot Explorers, a small travel outfit run by Keith, a Goan local passioner. Cliff jumping and wild swimming. There are people who love jumping off cliffs into swimming holes, and then Terry Smack, the Goan founder of the local beat, I absolutely love joining them in faraway forests and hiking to wild swimming. Cycling, e-biking along the Chapora River. Both Cycling Zens and Belive run frequent guided cycling trips and rent bicycles, e-bikes for independent exploration, one of the best activities in Goa during monsoon. Bird watching with the Birdman of Chorao. On not so rainy monsoon days, I've spotted scores of Malabar hornbills flying over the rivers and backwaters of Goa. Konkan explorers offer monsoon kayaking trips on the Chapora River, and depending on the tide, on the backwaters as well. Best places to stay in Goa in the monsoon. Located on one of Goa's most cycling-friendly islands, the island sanctuary is indeed a restored sanctuary from what Goa has become. Experience a little bit of Portugal in the 100-year-old Portuguese mansion that is Vivenda Rebelo, located in the heart of Panjim's Latin Quarter, Fontainhas. Turia Villa, Kankona. A tastefully restored Goan house, built over 100 years ago in the village of Kankona, and restored by the Goan architect Sandesh Prabhu. Other places to visit in the Goa monsoon. The inner routes on a bike or bicycle. The best places to visit in Goa during monsoon are the ones you won't find online. The São João Well Jumping Festival. The popular belief is that the well jumping tradition honors Saint John the Baptist, and is also celebrated in Porto. The self-guided hike from Fort Aguada. Early monsoon mornings are rare times when you can have the 17th century Fort Aguada all to yourself, and even more so, a stunning hike that starts right from the fort walls. The scenic drive along the Chola Ghat. If a dramatic monsoon view with clouds rolling over the mountains is what you crave, drive along the Chorla Ghat all the way to the Goa-Maharashtra-Karnataka border. Things you asked about visiting Goa in the monsoon. Is it worth visiting Goa in the monsoon? If you're okay skipping the beaches, and spending your time walking, hiking, swimming, kayaking and cycling in the lush interiors instead, then yes. What's the best beach in Goa during monsoon? The water is too rough to swim during monsoon, and the sand is wet and sticky. Can we visit spice plantations during monsoon in Goa? I love Tanshikar Spice Farm, an organic, family-run farm that can be visited both as a day trip or to stay overnight. Is it worth doing the trek to Dudhsagar Falls? I loved walking on the railway tracks and witnessing the splendor of the Dudhsagar Falls, but it is a tiring day hike, with several hours spent walking on the precarious railway line. Is Chapora Fort open during the monsoon? Just like Aguada Fort, an early monsoon morning is one of the rare times you can have Chapora Fort all to yourself. What do you love most about Goa in the monsoon? But in my heart, I'm just a girl who believes that travel if done right has the power to change us and the world we live in.